It was a joyful day for many students who successfully cleared the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examinations 2024 in the Science and Commerce streams, the results of which were declared today. Laban Bangalee Boys Higher Secondary School topped the list in the Science stream, while St. Mary's Higher Secondary School held the top position in the Commerce stream. Here is a detailed report.
Board of School Education today announced the results of the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate in the Science and Commerce streams, including the vocational stream, of which a total of 85.24% pass percentage was recorded in Science, 80.26% pass percentage in Commerce stream and 100% pass percentage in vocational stream. Sohan Bhattacharjee, a first position holder from Laban Bangalee Boys Higher Secondary School in Science stream, expressed shock as he was not expecting to top the list. Aiming for the stars, Bhattacharjee is looking to pursuing physics as his major as he aspires to conduct a research on space science.
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10-15 hours a day you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. Right.
Meanwhile, Ferry Filari Shawan, a first position holder from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School in Commerce stream, attributed her success to her teachers and parents who always supported her. Her future plan is to prepare and clear the civil service examinations with flying colours.
I feel really happy, really grateful. So at first, nakita mixed mag-block ako kung marks. But then it's all because of my teachers, my parents, my family supported me mentally, physically, emotionally. So it's all because of them and my hard work. I'll go be combat and then side by side I'll do competitive exam.
I'm immensely proud of each one of them. Their achievements bring great honor to our institution and serve as a shining example of the high standards of excellence that we strive to uphold.
In their message to the students, both the toppers underscored the importance of commitment, determination, and to stay true to their dreams and aspirations. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Meanwhile,